my Topbox arrived today, so as per usual, we will open it up together. This month it came in blue organza packaging, which is such a pretty little blue color. And then we'll pull out the card, which this card is useless. Pretty much get 40% off any system kits and night density rescue using promo code Nioxin40 at chatters.ca. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, so along with that card, I believe is this guy here, which is the Nioxin Instant Fullness Dry Cleanser. It's a dry shampoo, so like that. As I mentioned in my last video, can't go wrong with dry shampoo. I'm currently still pregnant. I'm 38 weeks pregnant, so this will be coming in handy very, very soon. So yes, dry shampoo is awesome. Next item pulling out is the Cougar by Paula Dunn. I think that's what it says. Perfect Pout, volume and shape definition. I think it's just a lip plumper. My sister-in-law texted me today, said she uses and she said it stung like crazy. So that's just the packaging there. It's pretty cute packaging, I think. Yeah, cool. Can't really go wrong with a lip plumper. Then we have the Glam Glow Water Burst Hydrated Glow Moisturizer. Tiny little packaging, you guys. It's so cute. Yeah, I love Glam Glow, so I kind of hope this will be nice. There's just apply evenly to freshly cleansed face and neck every morning and or night. So it's just kind of like a moisturizer. And lastly, we have another Cake Beauty item. It's the Cult Classic Body Care Cake Heavy Cream Rich Vanilla Shea Butter Totally to Die For Intensely Smoothing Body Butter Balm. Awesome. I have been moisturizing myself like crazy these last few weeks. So this will come in handy. And it probably smells good because all Cake Beauty products smell amazing. Yeah, it smells like vanilla cake, so that is awesome. Alright guys, that is everything that was in my top box this month. Just a quick little video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!